But during that day, na-realize ko, ay nasabi sa akin na nasusunog na yung school. So,
During the party, I didn't know na yung neighbors namin, doon na po nagsimula yung sunog.
Because of that negative thing, you were saved from a much worse thing that could have happened to you. Which you could have been part of the, yung fire at your house.
Tapos buti na lang, nung nalasing na silang lahat is umuwi na ako. Kasi kung hindi ako umuwi, nadali na din ako nila doon.
Hindi ako nakasama sa tricycle and then na-save naman ako sa accident na dapat mangyayari sa akin.
Second jeep that we has got into, we've driven past the first jeepney that we were supposed to get into. And then we saw that they were getting robbed.
Lagi nang umaawit. Pag-ibig na naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko. Ngunit kung nais mong malaman, di naman ako.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rob Gonzalez, your very demure and very mindful speaker for today, together with our guest speakers.
Sawadee ka, I am Tracy Prince Caballes.
I'm Winnie Esponilla.
And I'm Jennifer Espiritu.
And I'm Sheldon May Garganchel.
And welcome to Very Demure and Mindful Talks. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. And today we are going to have a podcast. But firstly, what is a podcast if we have no topic, right? So from our technical staff, can we have our topics? Okay, this is our bowl. There are different topics in here, so we're going to pick. I'm going to pick, okay? Let's mix it muna. Okay. So, our topic for this podcast, oh my God, this is actually a great, the burnt toast theory. Can you guys see it? Yeah. Have you guys heard something about the burnt toast theory or read something about it?
No, I haven't.
How about you?
This is my first time hearing it.
Really, the burnt toast theory? I've actually read a lot about the burnt toast theory. So, should I tell you guys about it? Okay, so actually, the burnt toast theory was about a man who was already late for work. And he was already late as well for the first bus in the terminal early in the morning. So the burnt toast theory came from the term burnt toast because when he woke up, he was already late. He cooked his toast and then it got burnt because he forgot about it. And then that was the negative thing, the first negative thing that has happened in his life, in that day rather. And then, because of that, he missed the first bus early in the morning. So mid-morning, he got to the terminal and then he saw on the news that the bus that he was supposed to take actually got into an accident. So imagine if his toast did not burn that day, Siguro, he could have died. He could have been part of the accident. So basically, the burnt toast theory is about accepting that some of the negative things that happens in our lives actually results to a much more positive, and sometimes it redirects us to a less worse things that could have happened to us. So, have you guys experienced something like that? Like parang may negative thing na nangyari sa inyo, but because of that negative thing, a positive thing bloomed from that, Have you guys experienced something like that?
Yeah, I've experienced one before. What about you guys? Have you also?
Yes, I agree. I experienced that too.
Oh my God, we should share our experiences. Okay, we should share it. Okay, you go first.
Okay, I'm going to, I already noted that, and I will say that it is, I broke a glass that led to a chance. It is because when I was in elementary days as well, I once broke a glass that, what do you call this? Pwede ba Tagalog, no? Well, ano siya, yung yung baso na yon, nasugatan ako doon. And yung pagkasugat ko na yon, na-realize ko na late na pala ako sa school. But during that day, na-realize ko, nasabi sa akin na nasusunog na yung school. So I am very thankful that I got wounded because if it wasn't for that, I was already turned into ashes with the school. Diba? I think it is luck.
Yeah, oh my god. And have you guys read about it now? When your school burns down, you are all gonna graduate, no? But well, you weren't a part of that. So anyway, do you guys have any stories to tell us as well? How about you? Okay.
I was 12 that time. I was home. Ginagawa ko po yung assignment ko that time. And my friends chat me na pumunta ng party niya. So, I agree. And during the party, I didn't know na yung neighbors namin, doon na po nagsimula yung sunog. So, the person who tells us the news is yung relatives po ng friends namin. So, nagulat ako, buti na lang wala ako sa bahay noon at hindi ko tinapos yung assignment. And sumunod noon, pumunta din yung parents ko doon sa bahay ng friends ko. And they feel relief kasi hindi ako kasama sa nasunog.
Okay, so the negative, may I clarify, the negative thing that has happened there was that you weren't able to pass your assignment.
Yes.
Okay, and then because of that negative thing, you were saved from a much worse thing that could have happened to you, which you could have been part of the yung fire at your house. Oh my God, two examples about fire already. It's literally about the burnt toast theory. But anyway, how about you? Do you have any experiences to share?
Yes, I have. Kasi dati, nung nasa Bicol kami, yung kaibigan ko ay nag-aya sa amin na pumunta sa kaibigan niya, tapos nag-inuman, ganon. Tapos buti na lang, nung nalasing na silang lahat is umuwi na ako. Kasi kung di ako umuwi, nadali na din ako nila doon. Yun lang.
Oh my God, I think you've told me about this before. Na you chose to go home already, and that was like the negative thing because you weren't able to enjoy, and it was like the vacation time. Was it the last day ng vacation ata yun eh? Kasi you really wanted to enjoy. So the negative thing was you weren't able to, but fortunately you weren't a part of the sexual harassment. That was such a sensitive story, you know. Are you coping up with it?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. But anyway, moving on. How about you?
I remember when I was a elementary student. That time, I used to have a service tricycle. Then, one time, I was a cleaner that time. And then, late na ako nakauwi nun. Late na ako nakalabas ng school dahil nga cleaners ako. So, naiwan ako ng driver namin, ng driver ng tricycle dun sa school. Ilang oras din ako naghintay dun sa kanila para masundo. But, ang dumating, yung mother and father ko. They said na yung tricycle na dapat nasasakyan ko is na-aksidente. Nabangka sila ng van dahil nawalan ng preno yung tricycle. So, ayun, medyo, parang konektado siya sa the burnt toast theory nga may negative and yun, di ako nakasama sa tricycle and then na-save naman ako sa accident na dapat mangyayari sa akin. Ayun.
Yeah, I definitely agree. So, you waited at school. Was it like around 2 hours or more?
2 hours, mahigit 2 hours din, almost.
Really? So that was a negative thing. You were alone at school. I actually experienced that as well. But it was nice that you weren't part of the accident because you could have experienced much worse, no?
True.
Okay, that is such a cutesy and very demure response to me. I actually have experience as well. Would you guys like to hear about it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so actually, my experience was when I was around 8 or 9 years old. I always go to the church with my lola, my grandmother, because she is very, very religious. She is a Catholic. And then at Merville, do you guys know where Merville is?
Yes.
Okay, you know where Merville is?
Yes, I have friends there.
Really? You're so popular. Anyway, when it comes to Merville, we have a church there and we went there. And then, later that day, around 10 or it was already late at night we chose to, instead of riding the first jeepney that we saw, we chose to ride the second one because my lola, or my grandmother rather, actually has this negative instinct about the first jeepney. But I told her, we're going to be late. If we choose the second one, we're gonna come home late. So actually that day, we came home around 2 a.m. Already. But then later on, when our the second jeep that we has got into, we've driven past the first jeepney that we were supposed to get into. And then we saw that they were getting robbed. So, yes, we were late, but if we have ridden the first jeepney, we could have been robbed as well by them. So, we were saved by the negative thing of being late. You know, it's like the Filipino time. So, we are all human students, right?
Yes.
I actually remember something about philosophy. Are you thinking what I'm thinking of right now?
Yes, of course.
Well, it is phenomenology. Do you guys still remember phenomenology?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So phenomenology is about how different phenomenons or different happenings in our life actually corresponds to a reason or a meaning. So everything happens for a reason. And the Berthoud's theory and the phenomenology in philosophy is actually quite intertwined. You know, they are like the same thing. And I actually agree with it because, you know, the universe always aligns the stars for us perfectly. We just do not agree with it most of the time. No? Do you guys agree? What do you think about it?
Yes, kasi hindi naman pwedeng mangyari ang isang bagay nang walang rason.
Yeah, I definitely agree. How about you?
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, we all agree about it, no? Ikaw, do you guys have anything else to share? Kasi I think that was my greatest experience that, totally explains the Berthoud's theory. How about you? Anything else?
Nothing that I can share off now.
Okay.
I think that's all of the experiences that we had, right?
Yeah, ikaw, how about you?
Wala na rin naman. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka konektado sa the Berthoud's theory na nangyari sa akin.
So yeah, so to those who are listening to us right now, I hope you guys accept that sometimes we should not be too pessimistic because Filipinos are seen as one of the most pessimistic countries that is there. So I think we should be optimistic sometimes that negative things happens for a reason, and sometimes it results or positive things blooms from that negative thing, or it even redirects us from a much worse thing, no? So, since this is just a short podcast for our project in media literacy, media and information literacy, I think we could wrap it up na, no? Should we wrap it up na?
Yes.
Yes, we should.
Should we wrap it up na?
Do this.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so, well, to those who have listened to our podcast, we humbly thank you, and I hope you've learned something from our topic for today, the burnt toast theory. I hope you enjoyed watching the very demure and very mindful talks. Again, we are very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.